Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. It is a very dreary day here in Ohio, and so I'm using that blinding light that I just blinded myself with. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations and vlog and review food and hauls. I keep forgetting to say hauls, but eventually I'll do it regularly. Eventually you'll just remember, I don't know, whatever. Today I have for you an Ulta haul. So we are going to get into this box. Just a quick disclaimer, I do have a giveaway going on. I'll link that down below. I also have an announcement for a future giveaway, and I will link that down below. And it is my birthday month, so I was on a no-buy. It didn't last very long. I mean, it lasted almost the entire, well, no, it did last the entire month of April, but I don't know, the points that I got for shopping at Ulta was just a little too hard to refuse. So this is my haul for the 1st of May. Now, I probably won't do another haul until Vegas at the end of the month, just because I was trying really hard not to do any hauls or makeup buys, but we see how well that lasted. Okie dokie, so the first thing I am pulling out is an Ofra highlighter. And of course I'm gonna have to deal with the shadows because I'm not quite sure how to use a light in my face yet. This is the color Space Baby. Now I am dressed to go out on a date, so I will not be swatching anything, but I will show you what everything looks like. That is just so pretty. I love Ofra highlighters. I've got 1, 2, 3. I have 3 Ofra highlighters over there right now. And I guess this was a Nikki Tutorials collab, so there is that in Space Baby. I also bought the highlighter in Pillow Talk. And I really like Ofra's new packaging. I mean, I know it's not new. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love that. Wow. What was I saying? Like, this just totally made me forget what I was saying. Oh, I like Ofra's new sleek packaging, but I don't know. I would have to probably say that Ofra and Becca are my two like go-to highlighters. I mean, I have quite a few highlighters over there, but I think that those are my go-to. And then with my Ofra purchase, I got this lipstick for free, and it is in the color Monaco. I will let you see what it looks like on the tip, but again, I'm not gonna swatch it just because I don't have the time to do this haul. And then also, you know, wash myself again. The next thing I got was this NYX glitter goals. Those are just so pretty. I don't know why I'm doing that. There's no mirror there. Those are just so pretty. I really want to stick my finger in one of those. You know what? I will stick my finger in one of those. Not right now though. There will be a second part to this haul because what I had actually done was got on, ordered all of this stuff, and then the very next day I was like, you know what? There are a couple more things I wanted to get, so there will be a part 2 to this haul. And when I do that, I will actually stick my fingers in some of these things for you guys. The next thing I got was the Tarte High Performance Naturals Treasure Pot Glitter Gel. And I have never used a glitter gel before. I've never seen this product before. So I thought, I don't know, it just looked really pretty online. This is what the packaging looks like. Ooh, and it actually feels like glitter. the glitter come off? Yeah, a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. The glitter kind of came off on my finger. I don't know if you can see that with the lighting that I'm sitting in right now. Ooh! But that's what that looks like. So I'm kind of wondering like how that's gonna dry down. Kind of smells like glue. That's a little scary. But I am excited to try that. I don't know how I'm gonna like that. I usually don't use wet or cream products, so I hope that it dries down fairly fast. Well, I should say other than my foundation and my concealer and my primer, I don't like to use wet products. If it dries down similarly to the things that I just mentioned, then I'm not gonna have a problem with it. But if it just feels wet and sticky on my face, then I will definitely have an issue with that. And so the next thing I got were 3 pairs of lashes from Cat Beauty. And these, oh, they come with the eyelash. They come with eyelash glue, so that is cool. So I'm just going to show them to you and hopefully you can tell the difference. So I got those lashes. And I got these lashes. And I got these lashes. And the next thing I got here is the It Cosmetics CC cream. I have heard, and I got it in the shade Fairlight, I have heard a lot of things about this, a lot of good things. I never actually took the leap to try it, so I am excited to try it. I hope that it works for my skin, because in the summertime, sometimes I just want to put on a light BB or CC cream and, you know, some mascara and put on my brows or something and not really worry about doing the whole full face of makeup sort of a thing. So I'm going to enjoy trying that. Now I did get this in a small size. This is the Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. I love my Hangover RX primer. It is my go-to primer. It's the only one that I use, but I have been using the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. And I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I still find that even with using 100 million primers and using a setting spray, my eyeshadow still kind of transfers from my bottom lid to my top lid. So I don't know. I thought that I would give this primer a try, or I'm sorry, this setting spray a try, but I did get it in the smaller, my mailman's here and he's bringing packages up to the door. Where was I? So I bought it in the smaller size just so I could see if I liked it, because I didn't want to pay whatever it was, $32 for the larger size to find out that I don't like it. The next thing I bought was the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. As weird as this might sound, the brow gel that I really have been loving to use is the Ulta Brow Gel. And I'm out of it. And I went on to try to find a full size of the Ulta Brow Gel, and it wasn't there. So I don't know why they don't sell it in a large, or if maybe they were just out, I don't know. My second go-to is the Anastasia Brow Gel, but I'm almost out of that. So I thought that I would try this because I have heard things about this. And as long as it doesn't make my eyebrows feel stiff and my eyebrows do stay in place, then I will be thankful for that. And I also got this for free. So I don't know what's in here. It's an NYX Professional Kit, or Professional Makeup is what it says. And then it has lips and a mouth on the back, so I think that is super cute, although the zipper is upside down, so that's a little weird. But so let's see, pulling this out, there is a beauty blender in here, which is cool, and then there is an NYX lingerie lipstick in the color Lipley. And that's a color I don't have because I would have remembered that name. So that is cool, and that was what I got for my NYX purchase. And last but not least, I have a Juvia's Place palette. I have heard so many good things about these palettes, and I just never made the leap. I don't know why I never made the leap. I just never did. And I mean, good Lord, I have close to 100 palettes over there, and I've never bought a Juvia's palette. So the one that I decided to try or make the leap was the Tribe by Juvia's. And you open it up, and these colors are just really pretty. These two greens are the two that drew me in, and then this glitter blue right here. Those are the two that made me, and this is like a forest green down here, but these three colors are the three that drew me in to get this palette. So I am super excited to try this because I have never used a Juvia's Place palette before. So that is that. And this, okay, so here we are with the second part of the haul that I promised. It's just a couple of products, but I'll also do some swatches for you guys today. So the first thing I am pulling out of the second box is the, what's it called? The Vamp Stamp. And I have seen reviews done on this, or yes, on this online, and I just wanted to give it a try. It comes with, let's open it up, an eyeliner brush to, I'm assuming, complete the look. It comes with the Vamp Stamp. There is a stamp on each side. Okay, so the left eye, the right eye. That makes sense. And it comes with the Vink, which is the Vamp Stamp eyeliner. And oh, it does have a safety seal, so I'm going to leave that on there until I get a chance to try it out for myself. Let me put these back in here so I don't lose them. The next thing I am pulling out here is Jack Black Lip Balm, and this is in the flavor Natural Mint and Shea Butter. I absolutely love this stuff as a lip balm or a night mask, and I was running out, so I decided to buy a full size of that. Over Christmas time, I had bought a 3-pack, and out of the 3-pack, I just opened the third one last week sometime, so I needed to buy a new one. And then the last thing I bought here is a sleep mask. I have insomnia, for one, so there are certain circumstances that I have to be under to be able to sleep. I have to have a fan going. My room has to be like an ice cube, and I have to wear a sleep mask. I have to wear earplugs. And so the sleep masks that I currently have, the bands are all stretched out of them. And so I went ahead and decided to buy another one. However, I don't know how this is going to work because it's fuzzy. I didn't think it, I thought it was going to be more of a satin finish on the inside, so that might be too warm. I don't know. We'll see. I'll use it a couple times, and if I don't like it, I'll just pass it along to my daughter. Okay, so let's get into some of those swatches that I promised you guys. So I want to swatch the Ofra highlighters. This one is in Space Baby. Oh, look at that. Let's see, we'll start swatching here. Delicious. And then next we have Pillow Talk. Dang. Yep, that's my jam. Juvia Place shadows. So let's see, I want to swatch Tootsie, which is this green up in the corner. It's looking a little chalky. Yeah, you can see the fallout all over that. All right, let's try this other matte, Oromo. It's the orange. That's looking really chalky too. I've heard such good things about these shadows, and I'm not really seeing that right now. Let's try one of the glitters. Let's try Cuba. Okay, that's really soft and pretty. Okay, I can dig that. And let's try Chaga or Chaga. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice. Okay, all right. We'll give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. Okay, and the next thing we're going to swatch is we're going to swatch some of these glitter goals. And these do not have the names. I'm not seeing any names, but let's see what these glitters feel like. We're going to go into this blue right here. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. That's just gonna be a really chunky glitter. So glitter glue will be needed, definitely, but that's really pretty. Let's go into this, I don't know how to hold this. Let's go into this pink right here. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get glitter all over the place. Hold on, let me pull this box over so I have something that the glitter can fall into. Those are really pretty. They're definitely going to need a glitter glue though. Let's see, let's go into this purple pink right here. Oh, that's so beautiful. Yeah, those are really nice. And then let's do one more. That practically wiped off my finger. And let's do one more. Let's do this silver, because I always like a good silver. Oh, fabulous. Love it. I can't wait to dig into that. Was this Tarte in Moonwalk, and it was that gel type glitter or highlight. So I want to kind of stick my finger in it since I've never used any ew. Okay, so it is just really wet, and it doesn't pick up a ton of glitter when I just dip my finger into it, but I spread it out and it looks like that. Let's give it a minute to see if it actually dries, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I gave it about another minute, and it did seem to mostly dry down, but there still was a little bit of transfer, so I don't know. That may also need to be, I don't know what that would look like on your cheeks though, setting, I don't know. I'll actually wear it out and we'll see if I have glitter all over my clothes by the end of the night. And I'm pretty sure that's all I wanted to swatch for you guys. So that is this haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm sorry for the switcheroo. There was about a 3-day wait between the two, even though I basically placed the orders within 6 hours of each other. So that was this haul. This was the first haul for my birthday month, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.